I'm Matthew Worley, the Green Innovation Manager at Balwin Properties. I manage the various sustainability initiatives being implemented on our developments. So once it's gone through this, it's actually quite clean. I'm passionate about ensuring that sustainability measures actually work and provide real-world, measurable benefits. So essentially what this plant does is it takes sewage from all the houses, it treats it to a point where that water is clear, it's safe to use. It's incredible what it does to that water. In this presentation, I will go through how the green economy can support more affordable housing. I'll be covering 4 main areas. Firstly, what is affordable housing? Then, how do we go about providing it? I'll be using 3 pillars we have identified at Balwin: building wealth, building inclusion, and building smart. I'll explain each of these later in the presentation. So affordable housing. That's actually a bad name. We should be looking at affordable living. We must be clear, we don't want the green economy to support building cheap houses. Rather, the green economy can support making quality homes affordable. There's also an important consideration that must be taken into account here. An affordable home doesn't just mean someone can pay the purchase price. A home is affordable if the person living in it can afford to live in it, cover all the expenses, as well as paying off the purchase price. Ideally, an affordable home should allow the person living in it to live, while also being able to increase their own wealth. Here's an example of one of our affordable developments. As you can see, it includes measures to make it not just affordable, but aspirational. It's got sustainability features such as parks, solar lighting and PV, obviously what I'm passionate about, but internally we also have water-wise fittings, passive design elements to reduce water and energy consumption, and any appliances we provide are energy efficient. Again, reinforcing the concept of making quality affordable, not just building on the cheap. Now, the first consideration when building an affordable home needs to be the homeowner. Ideally, not just how the homeowner can afford to purchase the home, but how the home will grow that person's wealth. The implementation of green elements can directly reduce living costs, such as utilities, energy, water, or levies on a development due to greener, lower maintenance or lower operating cost elements being incorporated. This means people living in these homes can put more money towards building their personal wealth, thus supporting affordability of living in general. Another element of the green economy is access to tools to guide efficient designs. By building in line with internationally recognized tools and their associated certifications, a homeowner doesn't just get a house, but also gets an asset which is recognized as green by the wider community, giving them access to the green economy. Balwin has focused on the EDGE tool from the IFC, which requires a 20% saving in energy, water, and embodied energy from a building.
This is the highest possible rating and has a huge emphasis on energy and water efficiencies. This is the 4th 6-star lifestyle achievement by Balwin, and it's amazing to see Balwin making a change, a positive change in the climate.
And now we have moved on to targeting EDGE Advanced, which requires a 40% saving in energy. This is a direct and sizable saving on utilities for clients. It also has a direct environmental benefit in the wider world. Including amenities where people live, such as gyms, restaurants and schools, also makes these elements affordable. Travelling costs are reduced, and having these amenities be in environmentally sustainable buildings, the cost of operating them is lower, again increasing the affordability for people living on these developments. However, making it affordable to live in a home still doesn't address the issue where people can't afford the initial purchase price to get into one of these green homes. This is where the green economy can really be used to start including more people. In 2020, Balwin pioneered the Green Bond.
Balwin has partnered with the major banks to give homeowners incredible interest rate cuts for supporting sustainable building practices.
This provides a direct reduction in interest rate for clients who are purchasing a green certified home.
By meeting the strictest building standards, we are keeping our carbon footprint low and interest rates even lower.
This is particularly relevant for first-time home buyers, i.e., The green economy can directly provide a way for anyone to get a good interest rate on a home loan without having a credit rating. For me, the overriding principle in this should be that no one is excluded from the benefits of environmental sustainability, as no one is excluded from the consequences of us not embracing it. Green bonds provide a way for all stakeholders to benefit. Financial institutions benefit from funding sustainable initiatives and all the benefits tied to that. Developers benefit from having external support to their projects and making their projects affordable. And homeowners have a direct benefit in reduction of costs, so shared value across the value chain. To make this happen, we need to build smart. Any green measures have to be implemented in a way that provides maximum benefit to all stakeholders. Funders need to have confidence that measures are genuinely having an impact. Developers don't want to spend unnecessarily, and homeowners must get a benefit if embracing the green economy is going to make homes more affordable. Here is a good example of building smart: the Green Barn Lifestyle Centre. Being a lifestyle centre, the building provides access to affordable amenities for all residents of a green brand development, our affordable range of lifestyle estates. To achieve this, the building is designed to be efficient with natural ventilation and lighting, water supplemented by rainwater harvesting, and restaurant waste is turned into fertilizer for on-site food gardens. Then there's what everyone notices: the solar panels to provide energy. The result is an affordable building for an affordable development without compromising on quality. What you don't see is that everything is monitored, and this is used to understand loads, educate people, and determine where greatest improvements can be achieved. Having this data readily available is critical for a building which is both functional and affordable. At Balwin, we've used this to great effect. We have 9 6-star Green Star rated buildings, and we always target net zero on them. And the reason why we can achieve this is everything is smart metered. We apply exactly the same to every home we develop. This gives substance to any claims we make on environmental performance, which allows greater access to green funding.
I've got the best of the best team around me, and we will deliver the best green brand. Water, reharvesting, solar, etc., etc. We'll do our best. And I'd like to also welcome all other developers to take up the challenge to make greener developments and give the client the direct benefit.
In summary, the green economy supports affordable homes by incentivizing buildings which reduce utility costs and carbon impacts. It directly builds the homeowner's wealth. Lower interest rates provided on green homes make them affordable, allowing more people to become homeowners. And by building smart and using data, we can achieve even more affordable homes by unlocking additional, lower-cost funding for developments. In this way, the green economy can support the provision of affordable homes for all South Africans. Thank you.